the other hand. Oop. Oop. Okay, hold still. All right, Redboro Swift Plumbers. You just noted Swift Plumbers. We are inspecting from this. At this point, I'm in the thin wall. Sorry, I'm in the thin wall pipe. This is out past the new clean out that I put in. What I did was I flushed this out. You can see the water rolling by. I'm going to shut this off, okay? This is where we're installing the new toilet in the master bath. And you're going to see, hi Marley. My little girl Marley's watching. Daddy loves you. All right, back to our plumbing inspection though for my customer. So I can see it on here. Watch through here. All right, so right here, I had to go from thin wall to my Schedule 40 clean out. And then we're back to cast iron. You can see my water flowing through that new clean out. We extended it to the surface. Now, this cast iron, this is the main line. You can see we had some previous rags in there. You can see that one that was hanging on there. See that, Marley? I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back to the master bathroom Y. This is where the biggest issue was. That's the Y I'm going through right there. Let me flip that camera. See that? So we've cleared all these rags out of here. The customer is switching to single ply. We are putting in a Borton's excellent flushing toilet, just like the ones we've got at home. Only one I've been selling for the last 15 or so years. But we can see it does still retain water. There is some scale in this. Some areas have chunky scale, especially in that main line. So it is very sensitive piping, but this should all start flowing better, especially with a good flushing toilet like we have and using only single ply paper. And this is just, it's slower to drain because of the scale at the bottom of the pipe, but you could see when I stop the camera, you could still see it moving. So it is draining. So we are going to go ahead with the installation. Now, I'm going to mention one other thing. This is PVC right here because they moved pipes or did an addition or something before this homeowner bought this house. But right here, and show that picture down there, they went with like a repair flange. Now that flange is sitting too low. It should be up high. But I just discussed with the homeowner, my biggest problem is, you know, this should be open here. So essentially that's how big it is coming from the bottom of our toilet. But instead of it just being a little area, now it's this wide to have to make it through there after going through the trap. So I'm not a fan of that. We're going to double wax seal this, but the reason I don't want to mess with this is somebody's put in this as a repair type flange into that pipe. So my fear, we usually cut and peel these out and glue a new one in. My fear is if that's not possible, this could be quite a drastic or expensive and bigger job than what the customer's prepared for. So we're going to put a great flushing toilet in. We've got the line cleared. The customer is only going to use single ply paper, soap, water, and body waste. And we're going to hope to do just no more work until eventually, as the scale builds up too much, it'll need jetted and we can do it at that point. But at this point, we're just going to try to limit the amount of money we're spending. So I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to say bye to my audience, Dory and Marley. Hold on, here. Very unprofessional, but I don't care. Let's flip this. Hey! Bye-bye.